the concepts of life drifting, which is quite interesting the way he explains it. There are drifters in life and there are non-drifters. Drifters are people that are not in control of their minds and their thoughts. They listen to every person. They listen, like, even to, as he said, the devil to him. They listen to the devil. In other words, they listen to negative information all the time, and they're not listening to positive stuff. They don't feed themselves with positive talkings and information and, yeah, content in general. Even the friends that they associate with are negative people, because you can only align yourself to who you are. You understand? So if you come from a home or background where, if you come from a home or background where there's a lot of negativity at home, in most cases, it will mold you to be a more negative, pessimistic type of person, right? So the book talks about that, about how we can be influenced by the environment that we find ourselves in, right? So the book is actually, as I said, was published in 2011, but written in 1938. It's called Outwitting the Devil. I'm sure a lot of people have read that book, right? Or come across it maybe sometime in your life, because it's so much based on self-development and self-awareness. It's a great book of understanding who you are. It's not a religious book, and you know what I mean, because of the fact that it's going against all concepts of the devil, all concepts of spirituality. I'm not spirituality, Christian, not religion, sorry. All concepts against religion, because it speaks about the fact that that book was only published in 2011 because of the fact that it challenged the status quo of the world in 1938. So they couldn't publish it.